Sa first year mo bilang OFW, how were your savings?
Actually, coach, when I was starting, I was saving around 80 to 90% of my salary.
O Jermaine,
Hello.
paano mo nakuha yaman mo?
Sa asawa ko lang.
Sa asawa, pero yung
Motivated
I've heard
na.
you have millions already.
Hindi pa naman, coach.
How did you grow that? How did you grow that?
Actually, we started lang pala talaga sa yung basic finance, paano
Basic
mag-manage ng
finance.
pera, paano mag-budget.
Okay.
Tapos we started building through stock market.
Okay.
So through that, na-multiply namin yung kita namin, and then eventually ngayon ginagamit na namin siya for our yung sa travel business nga.
Travel business. So we are here in Sarangani. Umuwi
Yes.
ka lang from Abu Dhabi. How long have you been an OFW in Abu Dhabi?
I've been an OFW for the past 7 years na
7
coach.
years.
So, and then siguro few more years na lang, uwi na rin ako dito sa Sarangani. Ang ganda ng view, di ba? Oh,
So,
astig. Yes.
since 7 years,
Yes,
sa first
coach.
year mo bilang OFW, how were your savings?
Actually, coach, when I was starting, I was saving around 80 to 90% of my salary.
80 to 90%?
Yes, I was
Whoa.
just spending 10%.
Okay.
Kasi I was a second generation OFW din. So,
Pero
I learned from my mom.
Di naman dumating sa point na parang nahirapan ka naman, nagtinda ka ng dyaryo.
Ay, di naman
ganun.
ganun.
Okay.
Actually, when I was still here in the Philippines, I was already selling a lot of things. I was
Okay.
selling popcorns with my colleagues sa hospital. Nagbebenta rin ako ng mga earrings just to, alam mo yun, have
So mahilig ka
earning.
mag-racket.
Yes,
sa
coach.
racket. So 80% salary first year yun.
80% sa salary investment. All in sa investment.
80% ng salary or 80% na pumapasok? Kasi may mga sideline ka pa.
80% ng lahat ng pumapasok, coach.
So malaki.
Malaki yung inumpisahan namin.
Malaki.
In just a matter of few years, coach, we're able to establish na some investments na may passive income na.
Okay.
Pero, syempre, like everybody, every OFW, still, ang journey namin, we're still looking forward.
Pero ano masasabi mo? Mas saan ka heavy ngayon? Real estate, stocks?
I'm more on real estate. Stocks, 30%.
I've heard nga na na ilang condos na, limang condo ba
Hindi
yan?
naman, sakto lang, coach.
Sakto?
A good amount to earn for a living dito
Parang
siguro.
inubos niyo na yata yung lahat ng
Hindi
Philippines
naman,
na condo eh.
hindi naman, sakto
So,
lang.
paparenta nyo lahat ng mga condo nyo? Anong plano?
We're planning to get it all rented, coach. Kasi
Okay.
for us, travel company kami, so most of it is gonna be Airbnb over the years. For now, lang siya,
Airbnb.
long-term.
Sige, pinaka-goal mo, ilang condos yung pinaka-target mo na, ito gusto ko makuha, ito yung pangarap ko na, pag na-hit ko to, parang wow, na-hit ko yung bucket list ng condo
Actually,
rentals
a
ko.
good amount lang siguro, coach. Enough to, alam mo yun, kahit di na kami
Number. Oo, syempre number. Make your goals
Siguro
quantifiable, di ba? Para ma-inspire yung mga tao na parang,
target ko talaga for the meantime, in the
Okay.
next 5 years, siguro mga 10 lang.
10.
Right now, I have already around 4.
4. Pero ilan, kunyari, OFW ka, ilan yung kailangan mo para
Mabuhay
makauwi ka na, o na unit, nasakto na. Kunyari, bayad na lahat yun. What's a good number?
That's already good amount, coach. If you have 10,
4 or
and each
10?
of it, with the ratio of around 5 or even
5.
So, okay na yun kasi
Kasi ina-assume ko nga mga 20-30,000 rent nun, so mga
Yes.
150,000 per month na yun eh.
yes, you are correct, coach. So
Oo.
that's already a good amount
Okay.
to have more time with your family and your loved ones.
So ano
Yun naman yung goal.
pang pumipigil sa'yo? Why are you not quitting your job
Because, coach, we wanted to travel around. We wanted
Okay.
to bring you also, coach.
Ganun ba? Okay. So,
we're planning to go to US din kasi
So
soon.
may streams of income ka na business.
Yes.
Tapos meron kang stocks.
Yes.
Meron kang real estate.
Yes, coach.
Okay. So now, pag na-hit mo yung goal na yun, balik ka sa Philippines.
Yes, we will gonna be staying here in dalawa kasi siya, coach. We'll be staying half of the time here in Jensen, most of the time actually.
Okay.
And then during side days,
Okay.
doon kami sa Bicol, sa Tabaco, kay Mrs.
May question ako. Dumating
Yeah.
na ba sa point na yung cash flow mo, yung earnings mo from business, stocks, rentals, etc.
Mas-
side income, mas malaki na sa sweldo mo.
Yes.
Pwede na.
Pero hindi siya all the time.
Hindi siya all the
May
time.
times na more than.
Okay.
Minsan double pa nga.
Dumodouble pa, oh.
Yes. Pero syempre, we wanted it to be yung regular, na gaya ng
Okay.
salary.
Okay.
So if we can reach that, at least yung amount na kinikita namin mix with my wife, that would be more than enough.
More than enough already.
Oo. So
Okay.
kasi like with our passive income, hindi pa siya ganun ka pareho eh.
Okay.
So yun lang yung goal namin. If we reach this amount na almost similar sa both income namin and business, I think it's good time to go home.
Pero hindi ka naman nalubog ko sa utang, hindi naman.
Partly with
Nalubog ka, wow, dahil
kasi syempre during the learning years may mga nalugi din kami business. It's part
dahil
it's
sa
part,
business.
it's part of it naman coach
Okay,
in every journey may mistake. So nalugi kami ng konti sa
anong
negosyo.
business 'yon? Sige, anong
It
business
was
yun?
like a consultancy firm in Dubai coach when we were
Okay.
starting. And then
Anong klaseng consultancy?
we help entrepreneurs to start it. Get the license and
okay. So what happened? Ano yung pinaka-learning? Bakit siya
learning point
di
was
ka nagka-clients, or
hindi
masyado
naman.
malaki gastos?
We lack kasi manpower that time. Most
Okay.
of us were working, only few of them were doing the operations. I think that was the bad turning point kasi we were not enough eh. So the demand was there when we were starting, and then halos dalawa lang yung nagtatrabaho na
Okay.
full time for the job. So basically that made us, alam mo yun, gumawa kami ng setup sa mga clients na sa dami nila hindi namin
So may sales siya.
meron po siya
Oh,
sales
sayang.
pero yung costing kasi ng operation it was more than that.
so
We
okay.
were forced to close it down.
Okay.
Anyway, it's a good turning point. It's a good
Okay.
learning point din as an entrepreneur kasi in every journey nga daw, all those mistakes or downfalls, stepping stone mo yun to get better.
Pero did you lose a lot of money?
Good amounts, coach.
Okay, ano yung good
Sakto.
amounts? Good amounts.
Wag na.
Good amounts.
Sakto lang, coach. Siguro
Talaga?
with our salary, 3 months worth.
3 months worth of salary. Malaki din yun.
Oh, yes. It was big
Oh,
amount.
guys, 500,000 a
Ay,
month.
grabe.
Oh, guys.
Wag.
guys,
Hindi,
guys.
sakto lang. Sakto lang
Oh,
naman.
1.5
So,
million pesos.
yun lang, coach. Yun, it's a continuing journey.
So,
Hopefully, we'll be
yun
able.
yung first lugi. May nangyari pa bang lugi? Wala na.
Yung small things na lang eh. Like, I invested some fund with my family dito.
Okay.
They did the business. Pero hindi kasi yun yung pinaka-core competency nila eh. So basically, importante din na when you're going into business and partner with people, especially family, make sure na kaya nilang gawin.
So, real estate talaga
hindi siya
pero
real estate,
I mean,
ma'am.
real estate na talaga yung nakita mo.
Kasi coach,
para
with real
magiging
estate,
cash cow talaga.
pwede siyang automation eh.
Oh.
Automated. So you could just hire people,
Okay.
good for tenants, and then bawi ka na sa renta.
Ano yung pinaka-sekreto mo para makuha yung assets na yan? Ano yung parang if there's one characteristic na nagsa-stand out para mag-gain yung mga assets na yun, anong ginawa mo?
Ano lang talaga, continuing learning. You don't stop from one mistake or one pitfall. Kung nagkamali ka man, you just continue, learn from it, get better. And then eventually kasi, it will just add on yung mga learnings na yun and you get better. So, ang habol ko kasi is more on how you improve. Bahala na yung nagkamali ka. Ang importante is how you get better from those mistakes. So, siguro yun yung nakatulong.
Ano mas okay sa'yo? Makakuha ng 100 million or 50 million? Or masaya ka na sa 50
with the
million?
amounts?
Oh, amount.
For what purpose, coach?
Hindi, wala lang. Kunyari,
mas masaya ako pag ibigay mo sa akin yung 100 million mo, coach.
Ha? Hindi, pero anong mas gusto mo?
Of course,
okay ka na sa 50 or gusto mo pa?
If given the chance, I would get the bigger
na-hit
amount.
mo na yung 50, titigil ka na ba?
No,
or
I will continue because I believe if I can have more income later, I could create more jobs. I could help people have their own source of income. Like dito kasi coach sa Sarangani, I notice most of the entrepreneurs are yung galing na sa mga matagal ng businesses. Wala pa yung mga gaya natin na from the middle class who were able to create their own and then share to everybody. So yun yung gusto kong mangyari na hopefully later we could share it to people yung mga business na i-establish natin.
Okay, so 50 million, 100 million.
Bigay ni coach.
Makukuha mo, siguro next year, tingin mo next year makukuha na, guys.
not
So,
yet.
makukuha, sa dami ng assets, guys.
Hindi naman, sakto
Ang
lang.
dami niya nabiling Philinvest sa Taguig, guys. So, that's it. Message to OFWs in the Middle East na tingin nila hindi kaya mag-save, mahirap mag-save. Ikaw, nag-save ka na 80%.
For those guys who wanted to explore din about investing in the Philippines, it's a good start nowadays kasi yun nga, mataas na yung ating conversion from dirham to peso, especially sa even dollars actually, I encourage you to start kahit man lang 30 or 40% of your income kasi that would really
Kaya ba yun? Realistic ba yun? Kaya ba nila? Tingin mo kaya
actually
nila?
nasa sa kanila yan,
Oo.
coach. It's more of the motive.
Paano kung mapasyaraf sila? Or,
Mapasyaraf. That's the common
mapaalnada sila. Paano yun? Oo.
That's the common problem It's about prioritization. Kung gusto mo may mangyari na magkaroon ka ng early retirement, you should start early. I mean, you need just to prioritize. Delay mo muna yung pasyal, delay mo. I mean, you can travel, you could
So,
go.
tingin mo, yung 40 years old, kaya mo makuha yun?
I think doable naman.
Doable?
Coach.
Mapapaaga, hindi?
Mapapaaga feeling ko.
Feeling mo,
Yes.
okay, so-
I can feel I can go home early.
Okay, so say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye guys. See you and sana makita ko kayo din.
Okay.
Live person.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.